Hi, this is Ron. I'm going to show you how to replace your 2015 Hyundai Sonata insides of your remote. Most vehicles you would have to send out, have the key cut, then you have to have it programmed to your vehicle. What I'm going to show you is how to save a lot of money. And what we're going to do, we're going to take this remote, open it up, and show you how to transfer the insides of the remote to your old remote. Now, most of your remotes buttons are like this one, all messed up where your button holes are all messed up. So in order you order one of these from Amazon or from eBay, your case may be a little different, so I'm going to show you how to save money by transferring everything over. So now I'm showing you how to open it. When you want to remove your battery, most videos shows you how to remove the battery. So you just pop this case, you can grab it here and pop it, or you can use your screwdriver and pop your case open. After popping your case open, be careful of your spring for the key. That will sometime pop out. You remove it, set that on the side. You can now take this out, take your key out, and you take this off. It comes off anyway. Now you're going to transfer the inside from your Hyundai original to your one that you got from Amazon or eBay. Now, the tricky part about this is because the case is not going to fit properly. The new case from eBay or Amazon is not going to allow you to snap it in. So what you're going to have to do is you're going to have to remove this part, and I used a screwdriver to, a razor blade, and this piece right here. You have to cut away this piece right here very carefully. Then you will transfer from this whole unit into this case here, your new case. And take your new case and everything, it will snap back together. I'm going to pause the video while I cut this out, and I will come back and show you how to put it all together. So now, here's what we need to do. I've used this razor blade here. There's tabs right here that you cut these tabs with. Now you can use the utility knife, which gives you a little more, where you just go ahead and get in here and you cut this little tab away. You cut this tab away on both sides. And be very careful. Don't get on the circuit board, but it goes right through, right on the side, and you just cut right through here. And you cut both of these tabs away. Once you cut those tabs away, you are now able to just take your finger, push this right on out, take this out, move it over to your new, and you take this and you flip it over to this side, and you'll see the same tabs on this side right here. Is right. If we were to move this, it would be right behind it, but we don't have to do that. We just put this right in here. It clips down just like that. Okay. Then you could take your back from the new one, and you'll take this back to clip over here. However, in the meantime, what you need to do, you have to remove the key. This is the key that came from Amazon or eBay, and this is your original key, which has the cut in it already, so you don't have to send it out to have this cut in it. So now what you're going to do is you're going to go ahead, place this back in here like this, Okay, come through. Oops. Oh, I guess we need to be mindful of this. Put this back in. See, it just fits right back in here. Then we have to take this back, this one. See this little clip right here? That would go into this as well. Okay. Now this one comes with a screw, but you don't always need the screw. It will snap back in. It will snap back in. But it might have come with a screw, and some of them don't come with a screw. But you put this back together like this, making sure that your key portion is working back and forth. Well, the battery we will put in a minute. Your key cover. Now it gets a little tricky, but you just put this back in like this. Now these lever here needs to go in like so. This one goes in like that. Then you snap it back together. There you go. Snap back in. You take your battery. Your battery, you know, goes face down. The writing on it is on the up. Get your battery back in. You can put your cover. You can take your cover. This is the new cover. The old cover that came out. This is, yeah. The new cover, mostly when you come out, it has this little tag on there. This is the one that came with it. Take this and snap it in. But what I want to do is snap this back in. What I want to do now is show when you hit your remote, you see how the light flashes. Oh, so I'm sorry, I may have been away from the camera. You see how the light flashes? That lets you know that everything is working. You don't have to send it out to be programmed or anything. Just go ahead and close that back up. And now on some of these, the remote is a little tricky. I mean, for the keep snapping up, but you, for the cost of anything, you can just kind of press this in and just push the button like this. That's it. It locks in. It will not close, and you're fine. If that rubber tab that you've seen in that plastic tab that was there, if you remove that, I think that will free up the key to pop open by itself as it did in the old one. But for me, it's not a big deal. It's no deal at all. This is what you want. You have saved now probably about 300 bucks with the programming and the remotes and everything. So, hey, have a great day. If you like what you've seen, you can just put like. I just wanted to share this with you guys because I know a lot of people spend a lot of money programming and getting one, and it has to go back to the factory for the factory cut. So, hey, there you go. Got new buttons. Ones are destroyed. New remote. You're doing good. Thank you. Have a great day.